Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch to business account on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Now select the profile option. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down a bit and tap on Switch to Professional. Now tap on Agree and Continue. Now add a description about yourself or your business. Tap on Next. Now go ahead and select the category of your business. It will later be displayed on your profile. Tap on Next at the bottom of your screen. Now select a account type and tap on Next. Now you can either customize your profile or tap on Skip for now. Now you have successfully switched to business Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We will be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.